Watch bull. Brady. Yeah. We're gonna go tag him in here in a few seconds. No. Wait for them to move up. Alex, bring it up. Let's get this guy in front of us on our team. Yeah. Hey, we got a guy right down here. We're gonna go tag in. Tristan, on him. Go halfway and cover.
Got one thundery left, but it's not gonna blow that during this cold.
No, there's. Hey, watch the bowl and the trail straight ahead.
Hey, I'm going for 2. Ready? Cover.
Take your kill rag off and you're good. If you got a visible, fucking shoot him.
I can't hit him. Straight down the path, right side of the path.
We gotta help Brady out. Who got hit?
I honestly don't see him.
Hey.
Ow, right in the helmet gap.
There you go. Underneath bridge.
Oh, owie.
Watch underneath the bridge.
Back in. Ow. That fucking stuff.
Hold on, Brady. You hit? Okay. Yeah, watch underneath bridge, guys. I gotta fucking take this guy.
Those are whizzing by like an inch from my helmet.
I gotta fucking get this guy.
You're watching the left flank, right? Yep. I got it.
Hey, on top, too.
Hey, I'm watching way left. Holy shit, dude.
Hey, moving into the bull. Hey, you're dead.
Whizzing over my head, so watch stuff back there.
Got him. Hey, go get Brady. Move. Hey, pressure. Fire coming from up top. Take your kill rags off. You're on our team.
Tag him in. Never mind, he's in. Get down. Straight ahead.
Hey, 3 or 4 are in the bull. I got fire coming down from up top. 3 or 4 in the bull. They know that we're here. They're shooting back. Hey, we're gonna take down low. Watch the. Hey, is that guy dead down there? He's hit. Good stuff. There's an additional. Get down. Okay. All right, Brady, watch your fire. They're gonna be coming in this way.
Copy that. Get to us. We're watching our fire.
Hey, exfil back.
Oh fuck! Where'd he go?
Same thing. Go.
Whoa.
That side of you's not. You're right. No, they just killed 2 guys down here and started shooting at us. Woodland came up from their right.
No, I always just do center mass slash. That one?
No.
That work?
Isn't either one.
I want stabbing kills. Alright. Blood or it doesn't count? Hold on, let me put an edge. That's one. How many are we going to?
I like your mint pants.
Just gonna get them distracted. Oh! That's 2?
That's 2. You should be smart and throw the schmog at him.
Yeah! I know, dude, I landed it.
Damn.
Come on, Woodland. I went to Harlem and they had that.
So we don't ruin it. Alright.
Yeah, that green knock.
He's like, so he doesn't use it again.
Or I made his video.
That too! I'm not stupid!
Well, shit, the dude on 96.7 interviewed the teacher, one of the teachers that was renting it.
How many hits are we going?
That might have been what I saw.
Oh.
That was close.
That boss is now.
Come on, stretch.
Go for the
Stay
jugular.
focused.
Why's he using the spike?
Uh-oh.
You're not even gonna let him rearm himself, so it's fair?
No,
That's
he's
alright.
getting close. He's working for it.
Combat roll. Is that a definitive kill? Because
That's
that
a
was a chest
disarm,
right
man.
there.
That's a
That
disarm.
was awesome.
Hey guys, spread out, set up a perimeter around the hill. They're probably gonna come down south, so yeah.
Justice, we need backup.
Alright, nice. Thanks, man.
Hey, watch up there. Watch our right too.
My RPK's out.
Alright. I got 2.5 mags.